So first we're going to start off by bringing majority of our hair backwards. You are going to want to leave some parts in the front, enough to frame your face and enough to use a little bit more towards the back. So here I'm just taking the rest of my hair by my ears and going to pin it back. I'm using 2 bobby pins and try to make sure that they're not showing. Then just pulling out some hair here to give a more messier look. And remember how I said to have a little bit extra hair here? We're going to tease it and bring a little bit more pieces back just to create a piecier, messier look. And you are going to want to hairspray these into place, as well as take the sides and pin these back as well. So the main idea is to give that volume on top, but to make sure that the sides of the hairstyle are a little bit sleeker, just so it shapes your hair nicely. Now taking the rest of the hair and putting it into 2 sections, we're going to do kind of a twist. And then we're going to wrap this around in a bun, as well as start pulling it apart nicely. Now you're going to bobby pin this into place, as well as pull apart even more. And the more hair you have here, the larger your bun is going to be. Add an accessory if you like, and then just go back for the top. I'm taking an open bobby pin just to make sure there are no holes on top of the crown of my head. Then recurling the pieces in the front, and we are done.